pick up your phone, pick up your phone now. It's been a while, I start to think that you're gone now. I know we went our separate ways, you had to go to school. I stayed to work on all these raps, you thought I was a fool. Your friends, they think I'm cool though, they like he on Pluto. Baby kiss me through the phone and charge it to my kudos. She say my clothes are big, and they look better red, and yellow diamonds make me look like I'm a lemon head. Well, your sense of humor make me really want you. And that outfit that you got that look like Willy Wonka. I'ma do my thing and you gon' do your thing, and I hope that one day we come around and meet again. I feel like couple years past, still ain't nothing changed. You got a job and I'm still out here trying to be fucking famous. I was looking fly, Gucci bubble, and all she said was, man, I'm glad you staying out of trouble. Know how that made me feel, that hurt me deep inside, cause I was there for you while trying to keep my dream alive. I know you know that, but you could give a damn. You'd rather listen to the radio and Simple Plan. You oh so fickle and you hate to say you sorry. I'm stuck at home and you ain't Mexico and you ain't call me. I know I'm never home, I'm busy getting known. I'm tired of playing this game, broken telephone.